Today we are going to start the revision of play with patterns. It's a very important and very interesting topic also. Play with pattern. There will be some patterns, number patterns, picture patterns, codes, decodings, all topics we discussed in the regular class. In the revision class, I would like to share a Google form where questions will be there. You have to answer them. So all of you need to write the questions in the notebook. Don't ask again and again. Play with patterns. Play with patterns. Yeah.
Sir, we have to write it.
Yes, I have told you to write this. Don't ask again and again. You had to write home. This is a revision work. So you had to write questions and answers. Whatever is discussed in the revision work, majority of questions will come in the PT2. So concentrate, be serious and be active and write questions one by one. First question, observe the numbers and fill the blanks. 18,
909, sir.
27, 36. First question. 8, 27, 36. What are the next two numbers? Parents are talking in the background. Manas Kumar, mute yourself.
45 and 54, sir.
What is the logic? Can you tell me the logic?
Because it is 9 tables, sir.
Yeah. Here you can see 9 is increased. 18 and 27. Add 9 will give 27. Add 9 to 27 will give 36. So you have to keep on adding 9, 9, 9 or 9 table. So you have to add 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, 45 plus 9, 54. Constant addition, 9 we are adding or 9 table. It is easy to identify the pattern. There will be a fixed addition or fixed subtraction will be there. Look at the numbers, use your brains and get the answer.
Sir,
909 is the right answer. Very good.
Sir, we should write, sir.
Huh?
Sir, we should write, sir. Sir, we should write, sir.
What I have told in the beginning, these are the revision questions you had to write. I told you not to ask again and again.
Sir,
Yes.
third one is 35, sir.
Yes, correct.
Because 10 table, sir.
Second question, 100 increase is there.
30 and 35, sir.
In the second question, there is an increase of 100. 609 plus 100, 709 plus 100, 809. So next will be 909. Hundred increase is there. Third question.
35 and 45.
Sir, third question answer is 35, sir. Sir, fourth question answer is
Third question
Time,
we are listen. Third question we are asking two answers. Next two numbers, not one number. So 35, then 45. 10 increase is there. There is a increase of 10. 10 is increased. 10 is increased. So 25 plus 10, 35 plus 10, 45. Good.
Sir, fourth one answer is
Wait. Don't be in hurry.
Fourth one is time, sir. 3:30, 4:30, 5:30, sir. 5 o'clock and 5:30, sir.
Three 3:30. So these are the timings where 30 minutes are added.
Sir,
30
5
minutes.
o'clock and 5
Three.
o'clock and 5.
3:30. Then 4. 4:30. Then 5. 5:30. Look carefully and try to find the pattern of the question. You have to observe carefully. Don't be in hurry. Concentrate. Play with patterns can be done when you concentrate on the question. These are the easy questions. You have to concentrate and get the concept clear.
Sir, third one is answer is 35 and 45.
Correct.
45.
35 and 45 is the correct answer.
Fourth one is 3 o'clock, 3:30. 4 o'clock, 4:30. 5 o'clock, 5:30, sir.
Sir, 5 o'clock, 5:30. Fourth one answer.
Sir, I cannot see fourth one, sir.
Wait.
Sir, in somebody's house, sound is
Yes, sir.
Wait.
Sir, from the background sound is coming.
Mute yourself. Some noise is coming.
Rishika,
Sir, what is the
Wait,
fifth
wait.
one, sir?
Wait.
Sir, fourth one.
Somebody's home noise is coming. Mute yourself.
Sir, what is the answer? Fifth one. Fourth one question, sir.
Fourth one is there on the board. Look at the board.
Sir, over fourth one, sir. Please
And
show
then,
me.
wait.
sir, third one.
Noise is coming in the background. Please mute yourself. Otherwise, I will mute all of you.
Sir, third one.
Third one is there on the board. Third one is there on the board. Fourth one is completed. Look at the fifth one.
Sir, when you write
Sir, one.
Fifth question.
Sir, this is 100.
409,
Because
it
Sir,
is
51 answer is
590, sir. And 490 is 590, sir.
Why 590? Why
409, 509,
Sir,
Yes.
So 409, 509.
409, 509.
409, 500, sir.
Because we are adding 100 here.
9, sir.
We are adding 100. So it will be 409 and 509.
Sir, third one.
Rishika, what is the drawing you are doing here?
Sir, sixth one answer is DDE.
DDE. Sir, sixth one answer is DDE.
And then EEF.
Two answers are needed. Two answers are needed.
Sir, E.
DDE. EE. F. Does it E?
Stop talking. Stop talking.
Sir, D, E, sir.
I said stop talking. This fellow. I said stop talking. Means you have to stop talking. Why you are shouting? AAB, BBC, CCD. So AA repeated, BB repeated, CC repeated. So it will be DD and EE. Third letter. When A is there, next number B is coming. When B is there, next number C is coming. When C is there, next number D is coming. So when D is there, next number E will come. When E is there, F will come. That is the logic. First two are repeated, then it is next letter is coming. I have told you many times when I said stop talking means you have to mute yourself. Keep on shouting and disturbing my class. I am not going to allow this. If you want to shout, shout. You will be in mute. You should have minimum common sense that you should not disturb the class. Now you can't talk the whole class. Go to hell. Chandrakiran video is off, Karthik video is off, Pallavi video is off, Tanish your video is off. Shekaran your video was off. I have told you many times in the last class also I warned you. Shekaran. If you want to keep your video off, don't come to my class. Chandrakiran your video is off. Chandrakiran. Tanish. Tanish. Tanish, your video is off. Okay, leave the class. CH Pallavi, your video is off. CH Pallavi. Shekaran, again your video gone off. Question number 7. AA, BB, CC. This is very easy. A, B, C. Then D, then E. You lost the chance of saying answers because you are shouting. When I said stop talking means you have to mute yourself. In spite of that, you are shouting. That's why you are in mute. You lost the chance to give answers. Eighth question. Eighth question. 260, 360, 460. So there is a gap of 100. You are adding 100. So keep on adding 100. You will get the next number. Eighth question, keep on adding 100 will give the option. Eighth one, 260, add 100. Next, add 100. So 460. Then next number will be 560. Then it will be 660. The 30Z, 28Y, 26X. Observe the pattern here. 30. First look at the numbers. 30, 28, 26. 2 decrease. 2 decreasing. 30, 2 decrease, 28. 2 decrease, 26. Next will be 24 and 22. About numbers. What about alphabets? Z, Y, X. Alphabets in reverse order. Reverse order. Z, previous one is Y. Previous one is X. What is the next previous one? W. Next. What's the next one? Unmute yourself and give the answer. Unmute yourself, give the what is the next one?
V.
B, sir.
V.
sir.
Yes. It is V. Alphabets in reverse order. Numbers in decreasing order. Alphabets in reverse order. V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are the next two numbers. Numbers are decreased by 2, 2, 2. So you have to give numbers decreased by 2, 2, 2. Alphabets in reverse order. Complete the answer. If 9 questions are completed by all, you can try the 10th question. Yeah, one by one, please give the answer. What will be the 10th one? It is the easiest one. Three alphabets. Listen. Three alphabets in continuous order. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. If you know ABCD, you can answer it. If you don't know ABCD, I can't do anything. Go to LKG, learn ABCD. If any student do this mistake in the exam, I will send them to LKG, not in 4th class. Okay.
Sir, you need any test.
After the class, I will share this Google form. You have to answer this. If anyone do mistake in this question, I will not spare.
Sir,
Yes.
it is there. It's not optional, sir. It is only your answer. So
Yes, you
in
have to
the
write.
exam,
You have
shall
to
we write
write.
the space?
It is not MCQs. You have to write. You have to write the answer.
Sir.
It is not
But
MCQs.
sir,
You
my
have to write the
question,
answer.
yes, sir. My doubt is that shall we keep spaces and do it, or shall we keep like next answer and write one by one?
You have to give comma or space. Both are valid.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
28Z,
27y,
27Y,
26x.
26X. It is same as the previous question, but numbers are decreased by 1, 1, 1, 1. So it will be 25, then
25V.
24.
25V, sir.
Alphabets. If I go for alphabets, how many answers you need? He need 3 answers. Okay. 25, 24, 23. Alphabets Z, Y, X, W,
W
U.
and U.
Yes. And U. 23 U.
UVW. ముఖం అస్సలు పడుతుంది ఇప్పుడు సార్ బంద్ చేస్తాం
When you are giving answers, when you are giving answers, if question is containing capital alphabets, answer should be in capital alphabets. If question is containing small alphabets, give small alphabets. If you don't follow that rule, you won't get marks. It is a pattern. Pattern should follow the same rule. Okay. 10th question, all capital alphabets are there. So your answer should be capital alphabets. You can separate them by commas or you can separate them by space. Both are valid. I have given both options in the answer. If you use small letters, no one is going to help you because question contains capital alphabets. You have to give this also. 28th also, capital Z is there, capital Y is there, capital X is there. So you have to give capital letters only.
Sure.
Sir,
11th is done. Please go through the 12th question. 11th is done.
Sir, you cannot sit, sir. You can move.
Which one?
11th, sir. Sir, 13th one is completed, sir. That is same to same.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but there I wrote 209. This is 9. Okay. There I need only one answer. Here we need 3 answers. The difference is there. We need 3 patterns here.
4
Sir, I have completed the 12th one, sir. It is 564, 464.
564, 464, 364. Sir,
12th one.
564,
12th one, 100
464.
is decreasing. In the 12th one, 100 is decreasing. 864, 764, 664. 100 is decreasing.
564
So 564, 464. How many we want? 3 we want. 364. 100 is decreasing. So minus 100 is the logic here. Every pattern will have some logic and you have to follow the logic to give the next answer. Play with patterns, you have to concentrate on the question. Look at the numbers given, look at the pattern given carefully. Then analyze and get the next answer.
Sir, so 31 is 309, 409, 509.
Yes,
31
yes,
answer is
yes, yes.
Sir, one answer is cylinder, smile, and cylinder, sir.
Sir, we have to draw.
Yes. What difficulty is there? Draw only the question, not the answers. Here, three options are given. Identify the right option.
Cylinders, smile, and
Smiley,
cylinder, sir.
cylinder,
First-
smiley,
first
cylinder,
answer.
smiley. Then it will be cylinder, smiley, and cylinder.
Option one.
Sir, what
sir.
is the 12th one?
12th one, 864, 764, 664. Look at the 12th here. I shared once again.
Sir, 16th question, sir. Sir, 15
Wait.
questions.
Wait.
Show me, sir.
This 14th is completed, no? Smiley,
Sir,
cylinder, smiley, cylinder. Yeah. What is the doubt?
Sir, first one is correct answer.
Yes. Option 1 is right. Option 1 is right. Option 1 is right. Now coding and decoding. Very, very important. 15th question. Alphabets are coded with numbers. A means 1, B means 2, C means 3, D means 4, like 26 alphabets with 26 continuous numbers. Then what is the message for the code given? 7, 15, 15, 4, 13, 15, 18, 14, 9, 14, 7. What is the code? You have to write 7 means its corresponding alphabet. G, O, D. Good. 13 means M, O, R, N, I, N, G.
G.
What is the code?
Is equal to good morning.
The code is?
Good morning, sir.
Yes. Only good morning. Sir is not there. Only good morning.
Okay.
It's only good morning. Okay. This is how you have to get the code. This is a big code. Second, next to 16th question is a small code. Give me the answer. What is the small code? Again, the answer what you are writing, it should be in capital letters only. When I share the Google form, answer should be in capital letters.
Jump. 16th one is jump.
Jump. 16th one is jump. Am I right? He is right. J-U-M-P. 16th one, someone says jump. Is it right?
Yeah, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, for this 17th one, please show me, sir.
Which one?
Class 16th over.
Which question?
Yes, sir, correct.
16th one.
Sir, can you show us the 14th question?
14th question is already over. Don't ask again and again.
Sir, that time my battery was run out, so I could not see. Sir, jump, sir.
Yeah, jump is the right answer. Jump is the right answer. Very good.
Class 17th one.
Aditya, Pawan, your video is off.
Jump. Sir, go to the answer one, sir. Sir, 17th or
16th one, jump is the answer. Alphabets, same problem. Alphabets, A, B, C, D, numbers giving. Now, reverse. We are giving word, you have to write the numbers. Bad. What is the numbers for bad?
Sir, can you show the 16th question, 16th and 15th question?
16th and 15th already completed. Don't ask again and again.
Please,
BAD, bad.
sir, 214.
BAD.
The 214, sir, answer is.
214 is the correct code.
Four.
Good students.
18
Sir, show
tarvata
me 16th one.
16th one is there on the board.
Not this, sir.
Madhu ikkada.
17th one and 18th. Sir, 19th one, show me, sir, please.
19th one. 19th one is not yet done. Still we are in 16 and 17. I have told you many times, don't ask the next question. Look at the question, what is there on the screen. Don't demand for the next question. I have told you. We are still in the 18th question. If someone asks 19th question, they will be removed from the class.
18th.
Akshara, mute yourself. Somebody is talking in the background.
Seven.
Dakshita, Tabasum.
అమ్మలు కూర్చున్నా పాప
రాసుకోదాలి
అవును ఇను మళ్ళా రాసుకోకుండా గాజులు కాస్తున్నాను.
Parents, please stop talking. What is the code for good students? What is the code for good students? 18th question.
Only have 7, 15, 54, and 19.
18th question. What is the code for 18th question?
19th one.
What is the code for 18th question? Give me the answer for 18th question.
Sir, we are writing, sir. Five.
17, 15, 4, 13, 14, 9, 14,
Students,
7.
yes. Yes means 19. Yes. T means 20. 19, 20. U means 21. D means 4.
The answer is 7, 15, 15, 4, 19, 20, 21, 4, 5, 14, 20, 19.
Okay. 19, 20, 21, 4, 5, 14, 20, 19. STUDENTS. Good students.
Sir, what is the last one, sir?
Last one means, what is the question number?
18, sir.
18th is there on the screen, no? 18th is there on the screen.
We can
Sir, just asking The last one was
18th is there on the screen. Good students.
sir, that boy asking 19, 20, 21, 4, 5, 14.
What is the code for 19th question? What is the code for 19th question? Let us dance. Let us dance.
Five.
Saifullah, somebody is talking in your home. A TV is running, I think. Why don't you mute yourself? Look at the 19th question. Let us dance. Let us dance. What is the code for this? LET. Let us dance. LET. Let us dance. What is the code?
Sir, I will tell the answer, sir.
Yes, please tell.
5, 20, 21, 19, 4, 1, 14, 3, 5.
12, 5, 20. Let us means 21, 19. Dance.
21, 19,
4, 1,
4, 1, 14,
4, 1, 14, 3, 5.
So the answer is 12, 5, 20, 21, 19, 41, 14, 33, 5.
41. From where you got 41? You have to read 4, 1, 14, 3, 5. DANCE. Dance.
Sir, the answer is 12, 5, 20, 21, 19, 4, 1, 15, 3, 5, sir.
Yes, the answer is there on the board. It is easy. Alphabets are there. I have given numbers also there. Twentieth question. What is the code of XF? XF, BSF, and then G, S, J, O, G, S, J, F, O, E, T.
We are friends.
One code is given. What we have to do is, in the place of X, you have to write its previous letter. In the place of every alphabet, write its previous letter. What is in front of X? In front of X, we have W. Before F, we have E. That is the code. BSF. Before B, in alphabets, what is there before B? A. Before S, R. Before F, E. Before G, alphabet list is there, A, B, C, D. I gave the list also there. Before G, what we have? F. Before S, R. Before J, I, because I comes first. F, E, N, D, S.
We are
We are friends. We are friends.
friends.
Yes, we are friends. First is a small one. Same code ZFT.
Yes.
What is the answer?
Yes, sir.
You have to do it. Yes only. What is the answer?
Yes, the answer is only yes.
Arey Baba,
Yes, sir.
you have to do it. It is yes only. I am saying you only have to do. What is the answer?
Yes. Sir, Y-E-S. Yes.
Yes. Yes, you got the answer. Good. Who said the answer?
Akshara.
Akshara. Very good, Akshara. Yes, you got the answer. Good.
Yes, sir. Y-E-S.
Yes, sir. Y-E-S.
Yes. "22nd, next question, we will close with this. Remaining, you have to do homework. 22nd, NFFU, NFPO, UIF, NPPO. What is the code?
Sir, over.
Sir, show me 21, sir.
Sir, is it?
Sir, 22 answers.
Sir, is it meet me on the moon?
Correct. Meet me on the moon.
Sir, show me 21, sir.
Sir, show me 22, sir.
Completed, sir.
Yeah, that's all for today class. The remaining questions I will send you 23 onwards, 23, 24, 25, 26. The remaining questions I will send you afterwards, ma'am.
Sir, how many questions
30.
there are in this Google form?
Total 30 questions are there. We did almost 22 questions. Remaining 8 are there that you can try at home. Okay. After the class, I will send the Google form. All 30 I will send. Try to answer them. 21 questions we did now. 22 also done. Meet me on the moon is the code for that. Remaining 8 questions, try on your own. This all I gave answers. Once again, you go through the answers, revise, then attempt
Sir.
Google form. Don't be in hurry. Okay.
Sir, what is the code for the 20th question?
Which one?
20th.
20th. We are friends.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See you in the next class. Okay, bye.